Now I am teaching you how to calculate the number of significant digits. For example, I have 102. So the total number of significant digits are 3. In 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all are non-zero numbers. So the total number of significant digits is 5. In 20008, the 3 zeros are in the center. So they must be counted. They are non-zero digits 2 and 8 on either side. So the total number becomes 5. In 3.0100, we have a decimal. So the 0 in between 3 and 1 and the 2 zeros on the extreme end all have to be counted. So total number becomes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In 0.003 guys, all the 3 zeros are on the left side of 3. So they should not be counted. Hence significant number is 1. Then we have 6.428 into 10 to the power 5. This is an exponential form and there are 4 non-zero digits. All should be counted. In 0.034, there are 2 zeros on the left side of 3. They should not be counted. Hence total number of significant digits are 2. Then we have 4.800. There are total 4 digits here. All these 4 should be counted because there is a decimal and the zeros on the right side are counted if there is a decimal. Then we have 0.0005 here. Since all these zeros are on the left side of 5, so they should not be counted. Hence total number of significant digits is 1. Next I am coming up with a question. This is actually the question which the so-called JEE NEET follows. This is how usually the questions are asked. So please hold your breath. I would request you all, please do not come into any sort of panic. We are just going through the topics one by one, slowly and gradually. So no fear, no chaos in mind. Just go in a subtle, very simplified manner. So there's a question guys, express the following to 4 significant figures. Now the first is 6.45372. In short, मुझे इसे इस तरह से लिखना है कि टोटल 4 significant figures ही बने. So 6 तो लेना ही है, डेसिमल तो है ही, इसे तो मैं नहीं हटा सकती, मैं मैथमेटिक्स नहीं बदल सकती दुनिया में. 5 भी रहेगा. Now what I have done is I have rounded off 372 to 400. Okay, so 372 is more than 350, so it comes to the side of 400. So we have taken 6.454 as the number. Next is 48.38250. So 48.38. 250 has been eliminated because it is less than 500 and it can be considered towards the 38 side. Otherwise, had it been, I again repeat, had it been 48.38750, then this number would have become 48.39. In the third one, 70000, there are 3 decimal positions which I am using. I am writing it in exponential form because I must write the number in such a way that its value should not change. So it's already 70,000. So it should be represented in such a way that the number remains 70,000. Please do not change the mathematics part while studying chemistry. Understood? So the number becomes 7.000. So total there are 4 significant digits, and if I use 10 raised to the power 4, then the total value would become 70,000. In the fourth one, 2.65986 into 10 to the power 3. So if I round off the 5986 value into 6000, then I'll get 2.660 into 10 to the power 3. Last is 0.004687. This has been written the same way. Why? Because it already has 4 significant figures. So please go through this and do give me a feedback if you understood or not. This is essential for the first time. Soon after, we'll follow up more videos and lectures, and then probably we'll come to our normal course of action within a couple of days. So please get back to me if you do not understand and let me know your issues. Bye for now.